you go. Train's in the rain there, man. Sorry about that initial adjustment there. That one snuck up on me. I've got a radio in the car going, and I didn't hear a single radio transmission about this train approaching, so kind of just happened to look up and see a light bearing down on me. So have the cameras, even though they're waterproof, I'm keeping them in the truck to try to keep them as dry as possible. But anyway, by the time I get out here and get the cameras up, this train is like right on top of us. So anyway, I'm gonna give this up. I think the best spot at the very end opened up, so I'm gonna give this spot up for right now and head down there and sit for a while, see what else comes along. Thanks for watching.